Calming Habitat Diary welcomes you. A winter day, a rainy day, Robin in the lawn catching worms in the morning. Robin catching worms indicates she has her babies somewhere nearby. Robin is a very dedicated mom, and she has built a nest all around our house for many years, and she has raised lot of babies. And her sacrifice, Robin, when I see the Robin, I think of motherhood and parents, how they take care of their children with love and sacrifice. Robin catching worms in the yard. Signing off. Bye for now. Please subscribe.